So now let's see how we can work around with the Emboss and Find Edges option inside a Photopea. So in order to work around with those filters, I'm going to go around onto the filter menu, and then around over here you can see that stylize is an option. And here you can see that emboss is the first option right here. So once you go around onto emboss, then it takes out the edges right here, and you can see that you can go around and change this out as if you're embossing something right here, just like this. And you can also change around the amount of emboss right here, just like this, and get the depth of the overall image, as you can see, just like this as well. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here, and apart from that, you can also go around over here, and then under stylize you can see that Find Edges is an option. So once you go around onto Find Edges, then just like emboss, it actually goes around and finds out the edges, but you can see that you get more of a dark and bright look, where the edges are dark and the main content are white right here. So that is how you can go around and work around with Emboss and Find Edges option inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.